Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life Real Life, and I am back with a collective haul. A tiny bit from Michael's, a good handful from Walmart, and plenty from Dollar Tree. Now some of it I have already previously hauled, so it's a second purchase, but let's go ahead and start. Now I had gone to Michael's because I had heard about the 99% off their spring stuff. Unfortunately, mine was not 99% off. They had some great deals, but just nothing that I just absolutely had to have or need. With it not being 99%. I would have bought it if it was 99% off. But anyway, so I checked my store and I didn't find anything like that. But I did find some deals. They had their pennants on, I think they were half off. And I found these little bead landing charms, and I just fell in love. It has the little cameo and the rose with the filigree around it, and of course the perfume bottle. And I just thought it was too cute to pass up, and I definitely got that for me. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, and it's nickel free, so I won't be using it for jewelry. I'll be using it for some kind of embellishment. So yeah, I got that. And then I had found these. I'd gotten like 3 of these because they were just bracelets. And I knew that I could cut them apart and use them for accessories and trims and stuff. This, actually, I have decided not to cut this one up just yet because I love the color so much. I'm not sure if I'm going to wear it as jewelry. Actually, I probably won't because I just noticed there is a spot missing out of that one. But these were on clearance. I think they were normally $5.99 or something like that, and I think I got it for $1.99. So I grabbed 3 of those. And like I said, I already had broke 2 of them apart, so this is what I have left after sharing some. And so yeah, I love it. I love the color, and I think it goes with pretty much anything because it's the rainbow. It's gorgeous. So let me try to move this out of the way so I don't knock it over. And also got these 2. I got actually 2 of each. This one was a little bit more difficult to find because I guess just because of the print on it. But it says Saved by Grace. And yes, ma'am, coffee. 2 of the best things in the world, Grace and coffee. So it needs to have bling too, but you know. But it has the rose petal, and they were on, I want to say they were like normally $5 a box, and they're the photo box. And I was trying to see, I don't see any size, but I need storage for my craft room, and I wanted some stuff that would be in my color scheme. So I got 2 solid black, and they have the little label spot on them. Let's see, yeah, on both. So yeah, I got 2 of these, and I got 2 black ones, and I figured they will look good on my shelf and will match my colors. And bear with me just a second, because the next one I'm going to do is Walmart, and I'm going to pull this up here. And I tried to have this ready so it would be a lot easier. So yeah, some of this is repurchases. Let's do that. Let's see if we can do that real quick. I bought some more of this jumbo confetti. The black skulls and spiders. Pumpkins. I don't think I had purchased the pumpkins before, but I went ahead and grabbed some this time. And then of course the ghost and the pumpkins and the little bats. And I actually purchased these. I think I got 3 pumpkins, and I don't know what I did with the other one. But I'd actually purchased these for some friends who have not been able to find them, or may not can find them. Oh, there's the other skull one. And that one's opened. And then, yep, there it is. There's the 3rd one. I knew I had bought more. So I bought, yeah, several of those to share. I bought a couple packs of these stickers to send to a friend as well. I bought one of these for me because I just thought it was cute. And I used that. And then I got these also for a friend. I almost opened these. I wish I'd have got 2 of these, but that's okay. I'll share them with her. And then, of course, I needed some clothespins because I want to decorate some clothespins and do some embellishment with those. And then I got some bling, some for me, some for a friend. So I'll share these with her, another friend as well. And I just love the flowers in this and the details of the gold metallic. It's just so pretty. And then, of course, I just love these colors, and I know this is one of her favorite colors, so I grabbed some of these. And I grabbed some black ones too, but I've already shared those out, so I cannot share those. And then something a little boring is I needed some black cardstock. Unfortunately, I don't know. Y'all let me know if y'all have any luck finding any of the heavier weight cardstock at Walmart. I do not. And so the best I got was the 78 pound. I wish I could have got something heavier. I do like heavier cardstock. It's just plain black, and it's by Tuxedo. I did try to find it in the office section like I did with the white. And I think it was only 65 pounds, maybe. It was a smaller weight than the 70, what is that? 78. And I found the 78 over in the craft department with all their designer papers and stuff. So then I just got, I needed some more white 110 pound cardstock because I go through that stuff pretty quick. I don't know about y'all, but I use it for my base on just about everything. And then, of course, I saw the holographic paper for 99 cents. And how can you not? It's liquid mercury prismatic paper, 12 by 12 sheets. It's got 2 in each one for 99 cents. So I don't think that's a bad deal at all. Now, I also got this because I got something in mind for this for a friend. And it's got 2 sheets with it, I believe. Yeah, it's 2 sheets. But it's dark and it's got blue. Actually, let me see if I can take this one out so you can see it better. I am worried a little bit. I had gotten the white glitter sheets from Walmart before, and the fallout is really, really bad. Excuse the sound. So I'm hoping and praying this is not as bad. But this way we can look and see without all the glare. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Can y'all see all that? I'm hoping it's picking up on camera. I love it. I love this dark. It's like a sky. And of course, as you know, it's just that other side. Let's see. How bad is the fallout? There's some. Nothing compared to the white that I have purchased before. So yeah, I may share this, a sheet of this with a friend, and I may make a project with that for a friend. And then I got the liquid mercury metallic. And I think y'all can see. Actually, let me check and see if y'all can see. Without, yeah. I need to start standing up so I can see my camera. But yeah, I got that. Okay, now be patient with me because this is where most of it comes from. But I'm going to start off with the not so crafty items, or the not so fun items, but it's fun to me. Not necessarily fun, but unless I decorate them. But I told y'all before, I have only found one since I have been doing the paper crafting and stuff. I've only found one this style. And I love it because it gives you more room than the little flat toolbox ones. Those are great to send, you know, do embellishment swaps in. But sometimes you want to do one for a friend and include a little bit more. Or you need it for storage and you need that higher space. So I do like these. And mine just got a new stock in. So I think I bought 3 or 4 of these. And I know it's not fun, and y'all have seen them a million times, but it's exciting to me when my store actually gets something. Now, this is not crafty relating at all, but I have seen people haul this, and I'm telling y'all, I was like, when I saw people hauling this, I'm like, okay, it's a cleaner. Why are we watching cleaners? And some hauls I don't mind because I'm like, okay, well, you're not necessarily a full-blown crafty channel. But when I see somebody who's crafty hauling something like this, I'm like, why? Oh, why are you doing that? Well, I'm going to tell you why. Because I actually found this one on K is for Karen, so I'm going to give her a shout out and give her a link below. If you have not checked her out, she's funny. But she hauled this because somebody else had, and she said she went into the store, opened it and smelled it, and just fell in love. And y'all, I'm telling you, I did the same thing. And I was like, what's the big deal? It's a cleaner. It can smell good. Okay. No, when I opened it, I fell in love. It's the lime with baking soda. And it's Ajax. I mean, it's from the Dollar Tree for $1. And it's a multi-purpose cleaner. And honestly, I need to clean my walls and my floor really bad since we've moved. And so I wanted something that was going to be a just really good clean smell. And I'm telling y'all, I opened it and I fell in love. They had 3 bottles on the shelf. I took all 3. And I come home and my hubby was like, oh my goodness, that smells fantastic. Please go get some more. I said, I can't go get no more. That's all they had. I've looked at other ones and I've looked back at my store since I've purchased this. None anywhere. I've got 2 more stores I need to hit up to see if they still have them, but these went fast. I cannot. I looked at Walmart too to see if they had them. Nowhere. And I'm telling you, the smell of this, oh my gosh, it's so clean. Oh yeah, it's just such a good clean scent. I love it. Anyway, like I said, I know that's a little not fun, but I'm telling you, if you can get your hands on it, at least open it and smell it and check it out. And of course, I got some packaging, more packaged stuff. I needed some more black. I finally saw this turquoise color, and I loved it. So I went ahead and picked that up. My store just got these in like last week, maybe the week before, but I picked up like 4 bags of these to go into some mail packages. I've got this to add on a special project that I hope to get out by the end of this week, or the first of next. Now candy. Let me move this because I'll be hitting those bells and they'll be going off like crazy. I don't normally do the haul candy. I don't haul candy, or if I do, I don't usually share it because, again, that's just something, you know, some crafters just don't want to see anything but crafting stuff. So, excuse me, I got these because, and I'm fixing to explain why I got those. And these I saw, and I am a huge Razzle fan. And since our Rue 21 shut down, I have not been able to find them. And I finally found them at Dollar Tree. And yes, I grabbed them. And no, I'm not supposed to have sugar, but every once in a while will not hurt me. I'm just very, very cautious with it. And the reason why I got the caramel apple candy filled is because I've got, I'm doing the tag flip, and my partner is not wanting Halloween. They are wanting fall. And with the tag flip, we are to provide 3 gifts. So 1 gift is going to be this cute pumpkin cup that says Gather. And I'm going to fill it up with these caramel apple filled Werther's Original. And then I may be sending another one to my friend if my hubby and daughter do not get into them. So I thought that'd be one nice little fall gift. And then I also got her and myself. I also saw this hauled from K is for Karen. And y'all, they smell amazing. Absolutely. Oh my God, I could sit there and have this smell forever. Pumpkin spice, mocha latte, coffee, all of those warm cinnamon, warm scents during the holidays. I could actually smell them all year long. That's fine with me. I know a lot of people want their seasons, and I do tend to do more around the season of those smells, but I can honestly do it all year. I also picked up this sign for her because I thought it was cute. You know, I love my glitter and sparkle, so I thought maybe she would appreciate that as well. And let's see, now to the more crafty stuff. I also got this to embellish with my tags. Oh, you know what, y'all? I forgot to share something from Michaels. But I got these, and I can't remember if I had shown these previously or not. But there you go. And this is a repurchase. because I got this also for some friends who cannot find them or do not have a Dollar Tree around or cannot get them in their stores. So I purchased some more confetti to put in some friend mail. And then I purchased these for some tag flips because we were out of the binder clip, so I got that. And I also found this glass bead bracelet for $1, and I loved the greenish gold color of it, and I'll do exactly like I did the other one. I'm gonna cut it off and use the beads. Actually, I'm probably gonna share the beads. And then I picked up these little bitty zipper seal bags that have the leaves on them because I figured I could share some goodies, and not everybody's into Halloween. So I've got several Halloween goodie bags. I just don't have any fall. So I grabbed those. And I also grabbed these for some friends. And depending on how many I sent out, because I've been wanting to send some Halloween mail out. So depending on how many I send out, I'll keep whatever's left over for myself. And then I got some more bugs and critters, creepy creatures. And I got these because, I don't know if I told y'all, I do embellish when I had gotten the other skeletons and bugs and spiders and all that bag. I do embellish bottles and books that I have been doing for many, many, many years. And so, I got some more of these so I can hopefully get some of those done. And then I've also bought these for, 2 of my friends. The thing about this is I had wanted the ghost one that says more booze, please. But I waited. And I should have gotten them because I wanted that one for myself and did not have it when I decided to finally get it. And I should have known better. And then I'm going to go back real quick because I forgot. I did grab these on clearance at Michael's as well. And these are just beautiful. This is like a pastel mint green color. And it's, you know, I have never purchased this before. But it's not tape. It's fabric. But I figured that will be some good trim to add on. And here's like a aqua blue color. And I figured I could share some with a friend. And I can also use it. And then here's the purple. Now, when I say it, I don't really care for purple. This is the shade of purple I like. The really dark plum color. And then I also, again, I love several different shades of purple during Halloween. Just not really lavender. I'm just not a lavender girl. But yeah, so that's it. I think, let's see, look around one more time. That's it. But yeah, I hope you appreciated this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope I made it actually kind of quick. If you did, please do me a favor. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what your favorite thing was that I hauled this time. And I hope you have a blessed super week. In the meantime, best wishes always.